Welcome to Basic Technology for JSS 3. Today we study automation and control systems, how machines and processes are controlled automatically. What is automation? Automation is the use of technology to perform tasks with minimum human intervention. Automation replaces or reduces the need for direct human operation in processes and systems. The goal of automation is greater speed and efficiency, greater precision and consistency, ability to work in dangerous or harsh environments, performing repetitive tasks without fatigue. What is a control system? A control system is a system that regulates, commands, directs, or manages the behavior of other systems or processes to achieve a desired goal. Simple example, a thermostat is a control system that maintains room temperature at a set value. Types of control systems. 1. Open-loop control system. In an open-loop system, the output has no effect on the input. The system simply produces an output based on the input, with no feedback. The output is not monitored or adjusted. Example, an electric fan set to speed 3, it runs at speed 3 regardless of the temperature in the room. A microwave oven set to heat for 3 minutes, it heats for 3 minutes regardless of whether the food is hot or not. Advantages: simple and cheap. Disadvantages: not accurate, cannot correct for errors or disturbances. If conditions change, the output changes with no correction. 2. Closed-loop control system, feedback control system. In a closed-loop system, the output is fed back, compared with the desired value, and the input is adjusted to reduce any error. Key components of a closed-loop system: reference input, set point the desired value, e.g., desired temperature equals 25 degrees Celsius. Controller, compares the actual output with the reference input and calculates the error, generates a control signal to reduce the error. Plant/process, the system being controlled, e.g., an air conditioner or oven. Sensor/feedback element, measures the actual output and sends it back to the controller. Comparator, compares the feedback, actual output, with the reference input to calculate the error. Error equals reference input minus actual output. Example, thermostat, temperature control reference equals 25 degrees Celsius. Sensor measures actual room temperature. Controller compares, if room is cooler than 25 degrees Celsius, heater is turned on. If room is warmer than 25 degrees Celsius, heater is turned off. Advantages: accurate. Automatically corrects for errors and disturbances. Disadvantages: more complex and expensive than open loop. Examples of control systems in everyday life. Thermostat, controls temperature. Cruise control in a car, maintains constant vehicle speed. Automatic water level controller, maintains water level in a tank. Blood pressure regulating drugs, body constantly adjusts blood pressure. Speed governor in engines, prevents engine from running too fast. Anti-lock braking system, ABS, in cars, prevents wheel lockup during braking. Autopilot in aircraft, maintains altitude, speed, and direction. Industrial automation. PLC, programmable logic controller and industrial computer designed to control manufacturing processes. Very reliable, designed for industrial environments, dust, heat, vibration. Used to automate car manufacturing lines, bottling plants, power stations, food processing plants. Sensors and actuators in control systems. Sensors detect the actual state of the process, temperature, speed, position, pressure, level. Actuators carry out the corrective action, motors, heaters, valves, solenoids. Remember, automation equals use of technology to perform tasks with minimum human intervention. Goals equals greater speed plus efficiency plus precision plus consistency, ability to work in dangerous or harsh environments, performing repetitive tasks without fatigue. Control system equals system that regulates plus commands plus directs plus manages behavior of other systems to achieve desired goal. simple example equals thermostat, maintains room temperature at set value. Types: open loop control system, output has no effect on input, system produces output based on input with no feedback, output not monitored or adjusted. Example equals electric fan set to speed 3, runs at speed 3 regardless of room temperature, microwave set to heat 3 minutes, it heats for 3 minutes regardless of food temperature. Advantages equals simple plus cheap. Disadvantages equals not accurate, I cannot correct for errors or disturbances. Closed loop control system / feedback control system, output is fed back, compared with desired value input is adjusted to reduce any error. Key components: reference input / set point, desired value, e.g. desired temperature equals 25 degrees C. Plus controller, compares actual output with reference, calculates error, generates control signal to reduce error. Plus plant / process, system being controlled, air conditioner or oven. Plus sensor / feedback element, measures actual output, sends it back to controller. Plus comparator, compares feedback with reference, calculates error, error equals reference input minus actual output, example thermostat, reference equals 25 degrees C, sensor measures actual room temperature, controller compares, if room cooler than 25 degrees C heater on, if room warmer than 25 degrees C heater off. Advantages equals accurate, automatically corrects for errors plus disturbances. Disadvantages equals more complex plus expensive than open loop. Examples in everyday life: thermostat, controls temperature. Plus cruise control in car, maintains constant vehicle speed. Plus automatic water level controller, maintains water level in tank. Plus ABS in cars, prevents wheel lockup during braking. Plus autopilot in aircraft, maintains attitude plus speed plus direction. Industrial automation, PLC equals programmable logic controller, industrial computer to control manufacturing processes, very reliable plus designed for industrial environments, dust plus heat plus vibration, used in car manufacturing lines plus bottling plants plus power stations plus food processing plants. Sensors equals detect actual state of process, temperature plus speed plus position plus pressure plus level. Actuators equals carry out corrective action, motors plus heaters plus valves plus solenoids. Thank you for studying basic technology with us today.